This is a quick tutorial on how to access your discussion board page. So as the instructor, you have access to your course management control panel. The way you can always access your discussion board page is to select Course Tools and then scroll down and select Discussion Board. This will take you to your discussion board page where you can create a series of forums on various topics. Your students, however, won't have that option. So you can create a discussion link in your course menu. To do that, you'll select the plus button at the top of your menu and then select Tool Link. From the drop-down menu here, you're going to select the type of tool you want, which in this case would be a discussion board. And then you'll just name that discussion board and make it available to your users. Click Submit, and that new tool is going to go to the bottom of your course menu. If you hover over that new button, you'll see the up-down arrows on the left, and you can drag that to the appropriate section of your course menu here in the middle section. So now students can select this link from the course menu, and it will take them to the discussion board page. Another way you can access, and students can access the discussion board page, is if you create a link to a page in a content area. So I'm going to show you very quickly how to do that. Select the Content Assignments button from your course menu. In the appropriate week, for this tutorial, I'll select week 2. You're going to select from the action bar menu, you're going to select the Tools menu and choose Discussion Board. Now this is going to create a link to that discussion board page, the same one that this course menu link goes to. So we're going to create a link to the discussion board page. Rather than, at this point, we're not creating a new forum, we're just wanting to create a link to the discussion board page. So I'm going to select Next there. I could provide some text and some in the content editor box here. Select that you do want to track number of views. We do want to make it available, and I'm going to select Submit. So when a student goes from content assignments to their weekly folder, if you want them to access a particular forum, you can just create a link to the discussion board page in your content area. When the students click on this discussion board link, it's going to take them to that page where, again, there can be several different forums. So just quickly to review, you as an instructor will always have access to the discussion board page by selecting from your control panel, Course Tools, and then Discussion Board. To give access to your students, you can create a course menu link, a direct link here by selecting the plus button, Tool Link, selecting the type of tool you want, which would be a discussion board, typing the name of the tool in the name area, making it available to students, selecting Submit. Again, it's going to go to the bottom of your menu, click and drag it to the appropriate section. You can see here I have 2. If I want to get rid of one, I would just select the chevron button to the right of it and just select Delete. I want to delete this. And so now I have that one link for my students to access directly from the course menu. Or you can add a link in a content area. So week 2, we went to Tools, Discussion Board. We want to just create a link to a discussion board page. We selected Next. We set up our options down here at the bottom, and then we click Submit. So now you can see we have 2 links here. Students would just click on this, and it takes them again to the discussion board page. To go back, I can always delete the one I don't want, drop down arrow, delete. And that's it. 3 different ways that you or your students can access the discussion board page. I hope this helps.